House Bill 9. Imagine this. You own a small auto shop in San Marcos. Across the street is a big retail chain with 20 stores around Texas. Both of you use tools, equipment, and supplies to run your business. Under this new law, you each get to skip property taxes on the first $125,000 worth of that equipment. But while it might save you a few $100s, the chain gets the same break at every one of its locations. Millions in tax-free value statewide. What the bill says it does. House Bill 9 says it's helping small businesses by raising the exemption for businesses' property taxes, making it easier for owners to avoid the paperwork and cost tied to low-value equipment or inventory. What it actually does? It creates a large automatic tax break that big companies can multiply across every location they own, while letting them skip filing reports if they believe they're under the limit. That means cities and school districts lose taxable value, and local taxpayers or the state will have to fill the gap. Who benefits? Large retail chains, oil and gas firms, telecom companies, and other corporations with many locations or lots of equipment. Who pays the price? Homeowners, renters, local schools, and small towns that rely on property tax revenue for teachers, firefighters, and road repairs. And why this matters? Big businesses stop paying property taxes on what they own. The cost doesn't disappear, it shifts onto everyone else. Over time, that means higher tax rates, tighter school budgets, and less local control over how communities fund basic services. Questions to ask your lawmakers. If local governments lose this much revenue, how are they supposed to fund teachers and first responders? Why let businesses decide for themselves whether they qualify instead of requiring proof? Why do you support a cap on how many times a company can claim this exemption across multiple locations? Bottom line, House Bill 9 gives big businesses a statewide tax break and leaves the rest of Texas to pick up the tab.